this just like you're doing right now. Arms, feet together, arms by your side. You're doing it just now. I'm just going to re-explain it before we continue, okay? Arms by your side, feet together, and then you're going to keep your head straight and just keep your head straight. Only follow with your eyes, okay?
Okay.
You understand that?
Right. Yes, sir.
Headquarters 797, clear for data.
6, go ahead.
And then this last one. This last one.
Your BMW is valid to 6 Rental Car LLC. The subject, Justin Timberlake, is valid out of Tennessee. Negative disability.
Try to keep that head straight.
10-4, thank you. If you could fax this up for us, please.
It's going to be like almost like you're looking at your eyebrows. You can keep your head straight and just follow with your eyes. When your eyes go up, it's going to be almost like you're looking at your eyebrows. Okay?
Got you.
Okay. Alright, the next thing is going to be called a walk and turn. I'm going to explain this to you, and then you're going to go ahead and do it, okay? So I'll just explain it in its entirety, and then we'll go ahead and do it. It's going to be 9 heel-to-toe steps, followed by a series of small steps, turning around, followed by 9 heel-to-toe steps back. So we can use an imaginary line. If you want, there's like a little skid mark here, so we can use that. What I'm going to have you first do...
want this one or this one?
It's going to be the one of your preference, okay? Just
whatever you want, man.
You got it.
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. We'll start right here, and then we'll continue down this little skid mark here, and we're going to have an imaginary straight line, okay?
Okay.
So what I'm going to have you do, put your left foot on this imaginary line.
This one?
Yep, and then put your right foot in front of your left. And what you're going to do, you're going to stand just like this. Left foot on the line, right foot right in front of your left. And you're going to stand like this, and then I'm going to explain everything, and then we'll go ahead and do it, okay?
Okay.
So left foot on the line. Left foot on the line first. And then you're going to put your right foot in front of your left, stay just like that, okay? So you're going to be heel to toe, like this. Heel to toe.
Oh.
Put your left foot on the line. Yep. You're going to have your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe.
Here.
Okay, so we're going to put our left foot on the line first. Put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. And you can stay just like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is going to be a series of 9 heel to toe steps. I will demonstrate this like you're doing right now. Like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Followed by a series of small steps around. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9 back. This is going to be heel to toe. So you're going to be clicking your heels as you're going. Arms by your side. While you're doing this, you're going to look down at your toes.
Guys, I'm just following my friends back to my house. I'm not doing anything. I'm just following my friends back to my house.
Will you do these tests?
Sure.
Okay. Like I explained, it's going to be 9 heel-to-toe steps. You're going to be clicking your heels, arms by your side. Just wait until I have you go.
Like this?
Arms by your side. So it's going to look like this.
Sorry,
arms by your side.
I've never done this, so
Okay.
I'm just...
Just mimic him.
It's going to be arms by your side, just like that, while you're doing it.
Perfect.
Okay.
Your eyes are going to be looking at your toes
Okay.
as you take each step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Once you get to your 9th step, like I demonstrated, your lead foot's going to stay planted, and you're going to take a series of small steps around, followed by 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay? Again, as you walk, you're going to be counting those steps out loud, looking at your toes. Arms by your side the whole way. So you're going to start with your left foot on the line.
Okay.
Right foot in front of your left. You're going to stay like that, and then
Just like this?
it's going to look like that. We'll start, okay? We'll start.
He's
from
going
the
to tell
beginning.
you when you're supposed to begin. He just wants you.
I'm sorry.
You're all
I'm
good.
sorry.
He just wants you to be in position. He's going to basically tell you when to go.
So
Okay.
I'm going to have you get in position,
Okay.
and then I'm going to say you may begin.
I got
Okay.
you. I got
So
you.
left foot on
Perfect.
the line.
Okay.
Right foot in front of your left.
Ready?
And you may begin.
And then just walk. I'm sorry. I'm
Here.
I'm
Ready? Ready?
I'm a
Ready?
little nervous.
Left.
I'm just
Right foot in front. You're going to look down. Ready? 1, 2,
okay.
3,
Got you.
4. Like that.
So
Okay.
you-
Hang on.
so-
Let him tell you when to go. Let him tell you when to go. He's got to tell you when to start. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
No, I want to make sure.
Sorry.
We want to
Left
make
foot
sure
on
you
the
do this
line.
right.
Right foot in front of your left.
Is this my line?
Whichever
Perfect, yep.
imaginary line you make, that's the line you're going to walk. And you may begin. 3, 5, 7, 9. Yep.
You gotta go
take
back.
those 9 heel-to-toe steps back as well.
Mhm.
Back this way.
Yep.
Correct.
Same way you
9
went.
heel-to-toe steps back.
One more test for you.
So this one's going to be the one-leg stand, it's called. So either foot, one of your choosing, you're going to raise approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. You're going to be looking at your toes, counting aloud as followed: 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop. Same as the other test, you're going to be keeping your arms by your side. You can start with your feet together if you'd like. And you're going to be raising either foot of your choice, left or right, does not matter, it's your choice. Foot looking just like this, parallel to the ground. You're going to be looking at your toes, counting aloud: 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand that? Do you want me to re-explain it?
Tell me one more time.
You got it, no worries.
I'm sorry.
So-
No, don't worry about it. We want to make sure
I'm-
that you understand everything fully. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. Perfect.
So one leg stand. Stand with your feet together and your hands at your side. Do not begin until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Yes.
Just like that. Perfect.
When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg, whichever leg
Sorry,
you
guys.
choose.
Sorry, guys. Like, I'm like.
So whichever leg you choose, you're going to raise approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot pointed out,
Just like this.
parallel to the ground. You're gonna. I'll tell you when to begin. I'll tell you when to begin.
Just you look at me. Just as an example. Right. So just like this.
Whichever leg you choose, approximately 6 inches off the ground. While holding this position, count aloud: 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and so on until you tell to stop.
Sorry,
When you do this test,
Sorry, my heart is racing.
When you do this test, keep your eyes on your raised foot. Count aloud by 1,000s. Keep your arms at your sides, and if you touch toes, if your foot touches the ground, if you lose balance or whatever, just bring it right back up, okay?
Okay.
So if you lose balance, you go down, you're going to bring it right back up. To 1,000, 2,000. And just continue your count. So if you go down and 8 1,000, continue.
So, like this.
Similar to that, yep. Arms by your side, and then let me know when you're ready. So you can put your foot down, and then we'll start. Excellent. Yep, good. So I'll tell you to stop, yep.
Okay. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000.
Alright, that's all good.
Alright.
Alright.
By the way, these are like really hard tests.
Alright, so the last thing is going to be a pre-screen breath test. So this just lets me know where you're at. And then if you're below the limit, you're going, you just maybe someone else could drive because it does seem like you're impaired, intoxicated.
Okay.
So, alright, just turn around for me, please. Alright, I'll take you right on. 9-7 headquarters, 130.